chain knot. Okay, that's it. Stop, stop. No, stop.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So what was happening is the chain was untwisting down here, so we're good. So let's see about putting the snubber on.
Right.
Close these hatches so we don't fall in. So you've got to take that hook, crawl out there beyond that, back the boat up a little bit. See, the anchor's in the wrong place. Back the boat up a little bit.
Yo.
Stop on the deck. They can hear that very well. Okay, neutral. And we'll still have a little drift.
Right.
Okay, take that hook and put it on the flat side of the chain. You don't need to go through the loop. Just put on the flat side.
Flat side there.
Yep. Nope, that's the loop. Nope, that's the loop.
So.
Nope, that's the loop.
Oh, flat side here.
Flat side. There you go.
Got it. Okay.
Same thing with this one. Put it on the link right next to it. And you got a little safety pin on there. That's inside the hole. There you go. Flat side, flat side. Okay, back the boat up. And while she's backing the boat up, let out about 15 more feet of chain. We want the tension of the boat and the anchor on the rope, not on the chain. You see the ropes coming out on the bows, on the port and starboard? Let out more chain, let out more chain. More chain, more chain, more. Okay, good. Okay, put the boat in reverse. We want to bury the anchor. And you can see the weight of the boat is on the ropes, not on the chain. Okay, you can see it right there. So I think that we've buried the anchor.
Yeah, it doesn't look like, yeah.
So we've got all of the weight of the boat and the anchor on those black ropes. Now we slingshot forward, bump it in reverse just to slow us down. Okay, neutral. See, what happened was we stretched the black rope like a bungee cord, and then we shot forward.
Right. Okay.
So instead of overrunning everything and getting that black rope in our propellers, we want to do a little reverse gear to keep it from jamming in the propellers. So now the next fun thing that we've got to do is recover everything, get the anchor washdown hose out of that hatch, and blow all of this mud off the deck before it comes up next time. So that's anchoring in a nutshell.